Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the break. Check thickness, porosity, and whether the crack extends into the rim or base. Once done, clean both faces with a grinder to bright metal and remove oil and rust so bonding will work. Make a dry test fit and mark alignment points with punch marks. This ensures the parts return exactly. Now install temporary clamps to hold alignment and measure gap size, because the next steps require specific pinning, epoxy selection, and heat protocol. You drill staggered holes across the fracture for mechanical interlock. Use two 3mm stainless pins long enough to cross both sides. Then mix a high-temperature ceramic epoxy and preheat the cast iron to about 150 degrees to 200 degrees so the adhesive flows and wets the metal. Apply epoxy into the holes and along the seam, insert pins, and press faces together. Make sure to remove excess squeeze-out. Clamp firmly and maintain heat during the recommended cure time to achieve maximum strength. Once cured, grind the joint flush and blend the repair into the surrounding metal without removing too much material. Preserving thickness prevents new stress risers. Clean thoroughly, apply thin coats of high smoke point oil, and bake at 400 degrees for multiple cycles to restore seasoning and protect the epoxy edge. If a crack reappears, inspect for underfilled voids, cold epoxy joints, or metal fatigue. Re-drill and pin plus, reapply epoxy, or consider
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.